Hello! Good morning! Good morning mga palangga. Na-miss ko mag-intro kasi halos sa mga vlog natin wala nang intro-intro. Kasi di ba putol-putol yung mga vlogs natin and then kinoconnect ko lang yung mga videos ko from the other day or the next day, mga ganun ba. Anyway, mag-aalmusal lang ako at ito yung almusal ko. Meron tayong leftover na carbonara from last night. Itong pasta na to mga palangga na rigatoni, yan ito. Hindi ko siya gusto. I don't know kung dahil lang ba naglagay ako ng white sauce. Kasi feeling ko kasi itong type ng pasta na to is more on siya ba, mga red sauce, yung mga bolognese na type, yung mga ganun. But anyway, okay naman siya, pero na-compare ko kasi normally talaga pag nagka-carbonara ako, mostly taglitili yung pasta na ginagamit ko, yung spaghetti pasta, yung mga ganon. Mas bet ko yung taglitili pag nagka-carbonara. And then, magkakape tayo mga loves. Sana ba yung aking tumbler? Napatuyo ko kasi yung tumbler ko. Kasi yung tumbler ko dito, pag hinuhugasan ko mga palang, kasi ito siya, para siyang sponge in a way. So, nagsusok yung tubig dito. And, of course, nilalagay mo dito, siya, nababasa siya yung dito kasi ito basa. Wala talaga akong ginawa kahapon all day ba? Kasi, meron na akong ginawa but sobrang limited. Naglinis ako sa bahay. And then, meron akong ginawa kaunti sa aking back bedroom. Pero, majority sa aking time kahapon is nanood ng TV. Nabuang na naman ako sa series mga palangga ay ito yung problema ko pag nanonood ako ng mga series na yan. Hindi ako hindi ako matigil until na matapos yung series talaga. Yung pinapanood ko pa naman, siya, season 3 siya. So, yung season 1 na pinanood ko, meron siyang 10 episodes. And then, yung season 2, meron siyang 10 episodes din. And I am on the season 3 now. And meron siyang 7 or 8. And yung pangalan ng movie mga palangga is Lost in Space. So, malapit na ako matapos. At sabi ko sarili ko, after nito, no more episodes talaga. Kasi, ay nako, pag ganitong mga episode, nakakaano talaga ay nakakabuang ba. Try nga natin to kung mainit na ba. Mainit na ata. Hindi pa masyado yung ilalim. Yung ilalim hindi pa mainit. Feeling ko mas masarap siya ngayon ha. Well, I always thought naman yung mga leftover mas masarap siya sa second day. Ito na siya mga loves. Init na siya and meron na din akong kape. So kakain lang muna ako han. Balikan ko kayo mamaya. Oh, nandito na yung bagong jacket ni Mr. That's good. Matagalan niya itong hinihintay. So, ang nangyari dito, merong jacket si Mr. and siya, nagli-leak siya ba? So, yung jacket niya, meron siyang warranty. 2 years warranty ata. And then, nagli-leak siya and supposedly it should not happen. And ayun, nag-complain si Mr. And ito, we give him a new one. That's good. Yan. Meron pang customer si Mr. o umalis na ba? Umalis na ata mga palangga kasi wala na yung sasakyan dyan. Anyway, I'm here and I'm back. So magja-jogging na ako mga palangga sa ating treadmill. Para mapawisan naman tayo. Alam niyo mga palangga, this past few days, wala talagang hinati dito si postman na letter or kung ano-ano man. Today, meron siyang hinatid na letter. At alam niyo si postman, muntik na siya maaksidente doon sa hole na dinig ni Mr. Hindi naman malalim. Pero hindi lang niya napansin ba na nagdig si Mr. ng trench. So ayun, muntik siyang mahulog doon at muntik na talaga siyang matapilok. Okay. So, buti na lang, hindi talaga na-aksidente. Kasi meron pa naman, malapit siya sa ano ba, sa steel na nilagay namin. Although yung steel, meron naman kami nilagay doon para maano talaga. Hello.
Yes, see my new coat.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Look what it says on the front of it.
It's Venturi. What?
This bit.
100% waterproof, yeah.
So I got I'm going to keep that on purpose.
Natapos na din yung aking pinanood na Lost in Space. Sa mga grocery kami mga loves, ikaso umaambon. Ay, naku naman tong ano, weather talaga sa UK. Hello, mister.
Yes, ma'am?
Where are you going?
Secret.
Secret. So, yung mga grocery namin, kaunti lang kasi we don't want to store a lot of food and then we will be away. Let's go!
Oh. Oh.
What's the matter? Honey, you need to be careful with that. Tingnan nyo naman mga palangga.
Oh.
Look, look. Tingnan nyo. Makurinti ka yan. Nawala na yung ano.
It's not my workshop, darling.
I know. Honey, you will get electrocuted.
How can you electrocute it on 4 volts? Or 2 point something volts? Look,
Whatever.
look, look.
Oh, I see what you mean. So it needs to be connected on your phone
Yeah, with
for
wire.
us to be connected to what do you call the app?
It's Apple Play.
Apple Play.
But you see, the thing is, what it does, right, so you got messages, right?
Hmm.
Somebody leaves me a message.
Hmm. You can read the message.
No.
What would you like to say to +44?
You can, what is it?
Okay, you can reply. You can.
Reply through voice or whatever. Then you got your map, so we can just go back to normal Android.
Okay.
That's Apple. What you got?
And you can go there to that
Oh,
map.
look, what's this?
Do you want to send a message or make a call?
Send a message.
I love you.
2.
Wife.
Wife.
Your Viber message says, I love you. Do you want to send it or change it?
Send.
Done.
I'm looking now. Yeah. It arrived. The message. So
Do you want to
yung
send a message or make a call?
map namin dito connected sa iPhone Play, something iPlay.
Apple Play.
Apple Play.
Apple CarPlay is.
Yan yung gagamitin namin to navigate our way to somewhere when we go.
Because the Range Rover doesn't upset the type of postcode it should do. They say it does, well, I mean, what we will do is actually try it when we get over there, because it will change off the UK map to that map, you see. So,
We'll see, we'll see.
I've already tried it. It doesn't support good parking.
That's a really good parking. Worse than my parking. Worse than my parking.
It's like meant to be, but then,
Don't judge, it's actually open.
you know.
I think the lady have heard us in there. Anyway, mukhang uulan mga palangga. No, it's not cold. Binalik na naman nila tong display nila dito, yung flowers, ginitna na naman nila. It's quite cool here. Ay, meron pa music, mang lakas na music nila mga palangga. Wala, oh, meron pa silang cherries. Can I have cherries, please? 2 of that, please. 2. You sure that's a knife?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks okay. They're not large, that one.
Yeah.
Put it on the top.
Jesus, what difference does it make?
You
They're
see?
very similar.
I just like the top. Every time na nang grocery kami mga palangga, pumupunta talaga ako dito sa mga donatan nila, oh. They look so good, pero for some reason mga palangga, hindi naman ako masyadong talaga fan ng mga donut. Nilalanghap ko lang tong amoy ng kape nila dito. Kasi sobrang kasi bango. No! We're home. Nag-reverse parking si Mr. mga palangga. Ang ginawa niya is in the middle. Middle of the hole.
Professional parking.
Professional.
Really?
Really?
Yes.
Oh gosh.
Told you to walk round. Did you walk round? No.
Look, that's from you.
That's from yesterday.
Ito yung sinasabi ko sa kanya mga palangga.
The wife
Kasi
does not listen to John.
palagi na lang umulan dito. So, naging maputik. What do you mean the wife doesn't listen to you? The husband should listen to the wife.
Excuse me.
Yeah?
Why? Why shouldn't the wife listen to the husband as well?
And why should the wife should listen to the husband?
Because it's equal rights.
Yeah. So
Exactly.
you should listen to me
So you should
too.
listen to me then.
No.
Darling, would you like to take the quiz?
No.
All right. I'll take it all myself. Grab hold on. Nip it tight, then you don't drop.
Ang dami. Ang daming chicharon mga palangga. Alam niyo yung hinol ko nung nakaraang araw? Ewan ko kung kailan yon. Ubus na. Well, meron bang natira? Pero ang natira na lang is, tingnan niyo. Ito na lang yung natira. Yan. And isa na lang yung ating Milky Way. And ito na lang yung natira sa ating Toffee Crisp. So supposedly, we're gonna take it with us. Mag-haul tayo. So, bumili ako ulit nito kasi kinain ko na yung binili ko nung nakaraang araw. Cheese balls. And then, crisp. Kay Mr. to. At ito yung akin. Mas bet ko yung mga palangga, yung oven crisp na Walkers kaysa sa ganito. And multi-flavor din to. Itong isa is salted lang. So, hindi na ako nag-vlog doon sa Tesco. Nag-vlog ako ng kaunti, pero tinigil ko kasi malakas talaga yung music nila eh. Naka-offer yung Shin Ramyun nila. So, meron tayong 5 Shin Ramyun dito. Ang tagwa 1 pound yung isa kasi 5 pounds to. Whereas, kung bumili ka ng tag-iisa, 1 pounds and 20 pence yung so, makakamura ka dito. And, bread. So, ito hindi to yung normal na bread na binibili namin. Naubusan sila. Hovis yung brand na binibili namin. Warburton's to. And, tingnan niyo naman soft white. Pagdating ko dito talaga sa UK, si Mr. White bread yung kinakain niya. Warburton's din. Pero, na-convey ko siya na why not mag-brown bread tayo. Pero, hindi din niya gusto yung brown bread. So, 50-50 yung yung halo. So, hindi siya masyadong brown. Hindi din siya masyadong white ba. So, meron siyang 50% of brown bread, 50% of white bread.
Now we're having white.
I'm just explaining to them. When I arrive here, you have Warburton's and it's white bread. And I've been, many things I've convinced Mr. since I arrived here. First is the chicken slices. Seriously mga palangga, yung chicken slices na yan, lahat ng mga kakilala niya, si Mr. is well known sa chicken slices niya. So siya, processed meat siya mga palangga, hindi talaga siya yung chicken ba. So binibili niya yun sa Aldi. So
I have special taste.
sabi ko sa kanya one time, hindi ka ba naumay sa chicken slices mo? hindi talaga mga palangga. So, trinay ko i-introduce sa kanya yung mga ham, yung mga, basta po kahit ano, but just to try a different sandwich. And then, ano ko siya mga palangga, napatigil ko siya kasi sabi ko din na yung processed meat, yung kinakain mo na chicken meat, ano siya, processed siya ba? So, unhealthy din. So, that's one of the first achievement. And then, yung white bread nga na sinasabi ko, noon, pure white bread talaga yung kinakain niya ngayon, ano na, 50-50. So, yun, may mga nagbago talaga sa mga diet ni Mr. Nag-ano naman siya, nag-compromise naman siya sa mga inintroduce ko sa kanya, lalo na sa mga pagkain natin sa Pilipinas. So, yeah, hindi madali yung pag-introduce ng change kay Mr. kasi of course, ano naman yan, hindi naman yan mag-answer ng yes agad-agad.
May I say something?
What? Did you miss your chicken slices?
Listen to me.
Come here, so that I can see you.
You say you did all this to me, but please look at the early vlogs of me. Look how slim and sexy I was in them days, and look at me now, fat piglet.
Oy!
She's overfeeding me.
You're not fat piglet. I'm looking after you. So,